A story of winter always turns to spring. A story of Sam Cawthon. It was in 2006 when he was driving back from his work in Tasmania. It was freezing cold outside. So he had switched on the heater in his car. It got warm, but he was extremely tired. Without realizing, he dozed off behind the wheel. When he did that, his car smashed straight into a semi-trailer. And when the other drivers stopped by to rescue him, found out that his body was in a complete mess. But then the doctors did a tremendous job and brought him back to life. But still, he was on a life support system for an entire week. He was hospitalized for 5 months and he was in a wheelchair for an entire year. In fact, the doctors told him that he would never be able to walk again because now he had a permanent disability in his right leg and he had an amputated right arm. This was Sam Cawthon's crisis. His life had changed forever, and not only physically, but mentally and spiritually. But then this was the time that he was now focusing on moving forward to what he could become. He converted this crisis, I believe, into an opportunity by bringing happiness and positivity in his proximity. And today, he's a global entrepreneur. He's a thought leader and disruptor in his speaking industry. He's the CEO and founder of Speakers Institute, an author of 11 books, along with being a best-selling author. Being able to speak to more than 1 million people in about 36 countries, all from living through this major challenge. Sam's life journey is a true testimony that validates that winter always turns to spring. As long as one has hope, spring is sure to come.